Hello everyone, my name is Vartul Agrawal. Welcome to my life page. Today we will talk about banking regulation, but before continuing, let me tell you something about myself. I have done my schooling from Raja Ram Mohan Roy Academy, Dehradun. Then I did my BTech in Computer Science from Tulaz Institute, Uttarakhand Technical University. And then I completed my MA in Economics from Mumbai University. Then I worked with Union Bank of India in Dehradun for a period of 8 months. And then I joined Reserve Bank of India in January 2013. At present, I am working with the Foreign Exchange Department of the Reserve Bank of India. My current portfolio includes the framing of the foreign exchange policy and the FDI policy of the country. Now, banking regulation essentially comprises of various functions such as the monetary policy management, the management of the liquidity and currency of this country, the regulation and framing of the rules and policies for the banking industry, supervising the commercial banks operation, managing the foreign exchange policies, managing and licensing the payment settlement system in India, and managing the government debt of the country. First is basic understanding and knowledge of economics. By basic knowledge of economics, what I mean is that the current state of the Indian economy, what are the essential features and parameters of the Indian economy, and more importantly, the basic criteria and parameters of the international economy as well. First is adaptability. Why we say it is important is because in the Reserve Bank of India as the banking regulator, one has to switch roles, and throughout the career, one can be posted to different departments within the Reserve Bank of India, wherein job roles change very frequently. For example, person who is currently posted to say banking regulation can in future move to handling monetary policy of the country. And in future, the same person can move to inspections and maybe managing the financial markets. For all these different job roles, one need to have different set of skills, and hence adaptability becomes the umbrella term where I should say that the ability to change roles and ability to adapt new skills is very, very important for this. First is, if you are into banking regulation, then words like competition, recession or marketing should be out of a dictionary. Since this is the apex institution of the banking industry, this regulates the entire banking industry, and competition will never be a concern for you. The first major challenge is that of a constant changing job. Within Reserve Bank of India, a person can be posted to different departments, and one has to see different nature of work accordingly. And suppose after a number of years one has to learn supervision and related aspects of it. After changing the department, one has to unlearn everything and then develop new skills to match up to the current job profile. This acts as a major challenge to most of the new recruits and most of the people who work within the Reserve Bank of India. Though there is no typical day for a banking regulator in the Reserve Bank of India, however, I would touch upon few aspects of the day, how it can go like. In the morning, you go to the office and see the various letters and various mails that would have come both internally from your bosses, from other departments in the Reserve Bank, or from the top management including the governor, the deputy governor and be like that. Other than these communications, you may have references from the government wherein certain policy issues must be under examination and require comments and inputs from your department. After that, once you prepare these comments and proposals, you may be required to prepare circulars or communication which are to be put to the public domain on the website. On a certain day, you may be meeting up banking representatives, people from the financial industry, from companies who may come to you to raise up issues which they seek clarification or they think are worth amending. As a banking regulator, you would be required to meet them, to communicate with them, to appreciate their concerns, to understand them, and whatever possible, you have to change regulations up to what is permissible within the law. On a certain other day, you may be required to meet state government people officials from the central government to discuss upon proposals which are important for the country and which may require very confidential discussions for them to be taken ahead. On a certain other day, depending upon the work profile that you are handling, you may be required to go to the field, interact with the bank professionals, interact with the villagers and understand their problems in order to financially include them. You would appreciate that this is one of the very important areas of the Reserve Bank, that is of financial inclusion. In this area, a person's day can be consumed in going out to the field and interacting with public and banking correspondents in order to understand their concerns and bring it back to the office. So this is how my day typically goes. I hope I have given you a balanced view of a banking regulator in RBI, which will help you in taking a career decision. Thank you and have a nice day.